Good morning, guys. Super early. Fell asleep with makeup on. I hate doing that. But, last night I ate my last meal at like 5:30, and because I got up so early. And because of that, I had a huge weight loss this morning. And I know you guys know that I don't like to go to sleep with food in my stomach if I don't have to. I just feel like it's better not to. And on a normal everyday, I don't have my first lean green like within 30 minutes of waking, like the plan says you should. But I did yesterday, and I'm going to do that today. And I think it's going to make a difference. So this morning I have a conference call that I have to jump on right now. In the meantime, I just made a brownie, my everyday hazelnut coffee with 1 tablespoon of sugar-free creamer and 1 packet of stevia. So I'm going to jump on that call, and then I'll be back and we'll talk. All right, guys, so we are at fueling number 2, and I have a creamy chocolate shake with 1 tablespoon of PB2, which equates to half of an optional snack. And I just came in from walking the dogs thinking it was still cool out. It's actually getting quite warm. I have on this sweatshirt. I'll show you. It's not really so much a sweatshirt as it is a, like one of those Pagonia tops, athleisure wear, wearing it with jeans. It's fairly light. Got it at Walmart, score of the century, and they have them in a million different colors: black, gray, white, olive green. Wasn't quite sure how I would like it, but I do like it. It's a size medium because I like it loose. I think I might go back and get either the olive one or the black one, or maybe both. So reasonably priced, my goodness. The day's going well. It's Friday, staying focused. Finally got over the ice cream weight gain. That's gone down, and I'm feeling really good. So I'm excited for the weekend. Tomorrow's weigh-in day. Don't know how it's gonna go. Hopefully good. But in the meantime, cheers. See you at the next fueling. Well, that was fun. Always good to get a car wash. Just want to show you the mask I have today. Nice and pretty and pink. These come in a pack of, I think, 4 at Walmart. A couple bucks. You get some really nice masks. They're thick. They have the lining on the inside, and pink is one of my favorite colors, and I'm wearing white, so really anything would go. I still prefer the medical grade masks, like the kind I wear in the hospital. I just feel like they hold your face a little bit tighter. But, this is what I have today. I'm in the market for a ring light because I've been noticing a lot of my videos, especially when I record in the middle of the day, the lighting in my house is horrendous. Like, the sun always shines on the front of the house, and most of the rooms that I film in are in the back, so I'm not getting any good sunlight, even though I could be by a window. So I'm looking on Amazon. I did find a couple that I'm interested in. If any of you out there have a ring light and you film and you like it, let me know. We're on the way now to the bowling store because Britt is on a league. She's such a great bowler, guys. That is the sport for Brittany. And the shoes that she has, her bowling shoes, are finally just have about had it. So we're heading over there now to get a new pair of shoes for her. And yeah, so getting ready to go down to the shore for the big kite festival tomorrow. So excited about that. We were actually going to stay overnight tonight, but we're not now because the hotel that we were going to was actually pet friendly, and we had never stayed there before because the dog sitter that we normally have to watch Molly and Paisley, she's not available. So we were going to bring them. And the reviews at this pet hotel were really bad. Like, the people said it was dirty, the room smelled like animals. I mean, granted, it's pet friendly, so they give you an area of the hotel. The rooms don't have carpet, because you have pets, so I get it. But I just, you know, I don't know. It was like a turnoff to me. And with COVID and everything, like I want to make sure that everything is clean and whatnot. So we're just going to go down first thing in the morning. Next time we head down, we'll just have, you know, our dog sitter come by. But unfortunately, they were unavailable. So we'll bring you tomorrow. I'm going to pack up the feelings. I'm going to probably, I don't know, I'm going to make a lean and green and bring it with me. Don't know how that's going to go, if we're going to eat down there or not, but I'll show you everything as I normally do. So that's about it. So Brittany's back in the car. We're heading off to the bowling store now. We'll see you over there. So we found shoes. These are the replacements of the shoes she has. Let's show everybody. Oh, I love these shoes. Aren't they cute? They make me want to join a bowling league. They're so nice, so well made. Look at that. And you got the slide right on the bottom so you won't go slipping and sliding. These are so nice. All right, thank you, bowling store. Hey guys, so we're back home. It's fueling number, I don't even know right now because I'm so busy. But I'm having the pesto and spinach mac and cheese. There it is. So yummy. I'm looking forward to having this because I'm really hungry. It's beyond 3 hours right now. Please try this mac and cheese, guys. If you don't like the regular one, the pesto one is so good. All right. Let me finish my work and I'll see you back at Lean and Green. All right, guys, it's Lean and Green time. And I made a weird concoction because it's weigh-in day tomorrow morning and I wanted to eat somewhat light, but still within parameters. And I'm kind of feeling a little bit hungry. So I'm going to show you what I made and I'm going to tell you, it is a nice meal for those hungry days. Not a lot of calories. Here we go. Look at this. Okay. So in this bowl, which is quite large on top of my work notebook because I'm still working, we have what looks like pasta and cheese, but it's not. It's egg whites, 10 of them, and I'm still allowed 4 more, so I'm saving them for later if I want them. I have some grape tomatoes cut in half, and I have the hearts of palm, which I sauteed in a teaspoon of olive oil as my good fat, and I sprinkled a little bit of parsley on top. Doesn't that look really good? It just, to me, looks really good. What I wanted to do tonight was make a bolognese sauce with some Rayo's, but it's so salty, and I didn't want to go there the night before weigh-in. So this is what I'm having, and it looks delish. So let's take a bite, and I'll let you know what I think about the combination. All right, so we're going to taste it on camera, and I forgot to tell you also that I did put 2 Laughing Cow wedges in here so that we get that creaminess. This looks good. It's almost like, it reminds me of an Alfredo. Here we go. It's hot. All right, a couple things. One, I really like the hearts of palm sauteed in the olive oil. It changed the texture a little bit from what I'm used to, and I really like that. Let me take one more bite. I like it with the egg whites. Now we're gonna have a bite with a tomato. It's good. It's really good, guys. Very filling. I can already tell. That is a meal. That is the meal to have on a hungry day. I hope you try this. Let me know if you do. And I'll see you at the next fueling. Hey guys, so we're back and we are having red berry crunchy O's. Do you guys like these? I think they're good. I like the cinnamon ones better. But these are okay. They taste like regular cereal to me with just a little hint of aftertaste, so they're not my favorite, but they are good, and I'm gonna eat them dry, no almond milk, just that, and that's pretty much it. So see you at the last fueling, guys. Well, hello, Mr. UPS man. Looks like my jean jacket has arrived. I ordered a jean jacket from Land's End. That's right. Bring it to me, baby. Bring it. Anyway, we're at the last fueling. Chocolate pudding. No surprise. Oh, he's gonna park. Nope, he's going down the street. Thought that was mine. All right, I guess it's not. Boo! Look at that cool reflection on the wall. How neat is that? What does that look like to you? Creepy. All right, here we are. Fueling number 6, chocolate pudding. No PB2 tonight. I did use half of my optional snack today. So I had, let me just let the dogs in. I had 1 tablespoon of PB2 in my morning shake. You coming in, Mom? Guess not. Yes, Paisley. Say hi, Paisley. I gotta go feed them. So tomorrow we will be headed to the shore. We're going to the annual kite festival. So I'm excited to bring you guys, and we'll see you down at the beach in the morning. Well, actually, you'll see me in the morning getting ready for the beach, packing the fuelings and all that. And then I'll take you down there with us. So I hope you all had a great day. Happy Friday. And remember, we can do this. Yes, we can. As long as we do this together. See you tomorrow, guys.